The professional cleaning industry ensures the public spaces we circulate in every day are clean and safe. For example, floors in public buildings are maintained with a range of specialized products and machines. Food processing industries apply cleaning and disinfection products alongside strict food safety standards to keep the food chain safe. And when we are at our most vulnerable and need healthcare, hospital operating theatres are hygienic and medical equipment is safe for each patient thanks to the essential use of disinfectants. Cleaning and hygiene in our modern world are complex tasks that also need to be sustainable. Today, less water, packaging and transportation is needed for professional products that are far more concentrated than in the past. Innovative dispensing systems also ensure products are used safely and dosed correctly. This video is brought to you by the European Cleaning and Hygiene Products Industry, a network of over 900 companies working to uphold our modern way of life every day.